YouTube Music just took a shot at Spotify with this AI feature. Premium users can build a playlist quickly from a text prompt, but Spotify's version still does a little more behind the scenes. Bite-sized brief. YouTube Music can now use AI to build playlists. Use text to describe the mood or theme. AI playlist is available for premium users only. Music discovery just got a little easier if you're a YouTube Music Premium subscriber. The app now offers an AI playlist option that turns a text prompt into a collection of songs in under 10 seconds. Go to Library New AI Playlist and tell the app what kind of music you want in the playlist, like soft electronic beats to unwind to or driving music. It will put together a playlist of 25 tracks around that vibe. You can remove songs from the playlist and use additional prompts to add others before saving, but that's really about all it can do. Once you've built a playlist, it works exactly like the ones built manually, so you can share them, add songs manually, and remove them from your account at any time. Other music streaming services have experimented with AI-generated music discovery as well. Spotify's, for example, is called Prompted Playlist. It's also paywalled, but it comes with smarter features. YouTube Music's AI Playlist. Use text prompts to explain what you want. Edit the playlist with more prompts before saving. Spotify's Prompted Playlist. Use text prompts to explain what you want. Edit the prompt at any time to adjust the playlist. Factors in your listening history. Notes why certain songs were chosen. Can update daily or weekly with fresh tracks. YouTube's version feels more like a quick starter than a full playlist assistant. For now, Spotify's AI tool is definitely more robust, so it will be interesting to see YouTube's next move as more people try out this new feature. The bottom line. YouTube Music now lets you generate a playlist just by describing a mood, and it works really fast. But compared to Spotify's more flexible AI tool, this first version feels pretty basic.